We got this cutout of a mother whale. You can use it as a reference right here. There you go, very easy. Or you can just sketch it out. Either way, it's good. So I'm just gonna put it right over. Right here like that. Okay, another beautiful day of creation here. So let's go humpback whale. Using two colors, white and navy blue. Navy blue meaning this navy blue from Bear PM 1-7 right here. There you go. So let's get started. Easy does it. Just like that. Very easy. Just a squiggly little lines right here like that. See? And maybe a little bit of white. Right here like that. That's it. See that? Alright, so this. That. One clean swipe. That's it. And then another one right here in this corner like this. Like that. Maybe a little white line here as well, like this. That's it. Come up here. This. That. Like this. Easy. Very easy. Okay. And maybe a little bit more lines right here, like this. It. Okay. And maybe right here. This. Right here in the corner. That's it. Yeah. This. That's it. So over to the side right here. Maybe a little bit white. This clean swipe right here. And maybe right here like this. We got this cutout of a mother whale. You can use it as a reference right here. There you go, very easy. Or you can just sketch it out. Either way, it's good. So I'm just gonna put it right over. Put it right over here because the calf right here goes right here. See, and the scene depicts a mother whale as it helps its calf take a breath for the first time. See, first 6 months of after the calf is born, that's when they form this unique bond. From what I understand here, there you go. So let's do this right here like this, and let's get out this lettering tip attached to this acrylic white pen right here. Very easy. Let's just do a little bit of outline right here like this. See, like that? Doesn't have to be perfect right here, just an outline. Just to outline to suggest, yeah, all the way around this mother whale. Like that, see? And it's okay if it smears certain areas. It's okay right here like this. Just kind of try to outline, forming an outline right here, like that. And it could get a little bit messy, it's okay. There you go, like that. Just to help us, right? And let's just do a little bit more of an outline right here like this. Yeah, just a simple outline. Mother whale. Right there. Right? And then, what do we have? We have this calf right here. Calf. Right here. About to take its first breath. Right? Because they need to breathe. Right here like this. And just around it like that. And you can always sketch this if you like. This is just for those who just wants to get a quick outline going. There you go. That's that should be good right there. Yeah. That right here, like that. Just an outline right here, like that. Right? There you go. So coming back to mother whale here. Let's see here, like that. Right. Let's put it right here like that. Okay, so let's start with this right here like that. Mother whale. Just kind of helping its young. Love of her life right here. Just help her. Like this. Just a basic outline right here. You might want to go over this later, so just basic outline right here. Right here like that. Like that. Okay, and then we have the baby calf right here. Just getting started right here, see? The help of her mom. And then we're going to come over here. Gold right here. Bit of gold right here. It's always good. Right. Additional outline right here like this. And then let's do the body first right here. Take care of the body. Just like that, right? Baby calf right here. Just getting started right here. Alright. And toothpick action right here. Let's do this. Just mixing colors here, that's all we're doing right here. Just mixing colors. There you go, like that. All right. Okay, I'm gonna come back one more time. Just one more time. Final outline right here. Final outline right here, like this. All around this right here. Final outline like this. That right there. That. Right, you see that? A little bit more black at this side right here. Perhaps like this. Here, and then just gonna little eye right here. Perhaps right here like that. Okay. Same here. Same thing on this side right here like this. A little bit of additional highlight right here like this.